Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix bad Bluetooth audio on Windows 11, disable hands-free telephony for crystal clear sound. Click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth Devices, Devices. Open More Devices and Printer Settings. Right-click Bluetooth device, click Properties. Uncheck hands-free telephony. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.